All right, so last week we had Greek gyros and more Greek food. This is Greek chickpea and feta cheese salad. And just made a huge bowl of it. I love this stuff. So look at that. We got lots of feta cheese in there, red bell peppers, chickpeas, cucumbers, tomatoes. Oh, I love feta cheese. Just the bite it gives to a salad is fantastic. Oh, we got some red onions in here too. All right. Good stuff. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, so here are the ingredients for our Greek salad. Across the front, well, here's the dressing ingredients. We've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. That's not the Dijonnaise, that's the Dijon mustard, the more mustardy. And here we've got 2 garlic cloves crushed. Then for the salad itself, well, feta cheese. That is 7 ounces or 200 grams of feta cheese, and I've crumbled it by hand. The piece is about like that. This is 1 Japanese or Asian cucumber. Ones without seeds are really nice. I love these things. And that's just one of them sliced crossways, about 1/8 of an inch, 3-4 millimeters thick. And over here, 2 red bell peppers chopped up. I've got here of 1/4 of a red onion, thinly sliced. This is about, I go with about 15 to 20 mini tomatoes. I think if I remember correctly, there's 18 in there today. And then just cut in half. And then across the back here, we've got 1 can of chickpeas rinsed and drained. So I'm going to make myself a little room by moving the chickpeas out of the way here right now. First thing we want to do is make the dressing. So get a bowl, and we're going to put the olive oil in there, the vinegar, the salt, these herbs, then the mustard, all right, so mustard and the garlic. All right, now what I want to do is whisk all that together. So that mustard is going to help hold it all together, emulsify it. So give it a whisking, and look at that. It's coming together real nicely. All right, that's ready to go. Now all we do is add in, I like to add in everything but the feta cheese at this point. I don't want to crush the feta cheese when I'm tossing everything. So I'm going to add it in last and then just toss it gently. Otherwise, we won't have crumbled feta cheese. We'll have smashed feta cheese. So everything else is going in. Oh, that's a lot of red bell pepper. Good stuff though. All right. And now just tossing and turning. Tossing and turning. Gonna do this until the dressing has basically coated everything in here. So about a minute of doing this. You see why I don't want to add the feta cheese in yet? It would get just kind of smashed up by this. So I'm gonna make sure that we've got dressing on everything. All right, now that's looking good. In goes the feta cheese. Oh, and that just, feta cheese just adds something fantastic. We also got on the Kuma's Kitchen is the Greek village salad. I always use feta cheese there. Love it. All right, so now just kind of gently tossing this a bit just to get the feta cheese throughout. Oh, and one goes overboard. And that is it. I don't want to work that too hard. I just want to make sure I get the feta cheese throughout the salad, and then we're ready to go. All right, that's salad tonight. All right, if you like this recipe of the Greek chickpea and feta cheese salad, well, stick around. There's a lot more original Kevin Riley Kuma's Kitchen recipes right here on this YouTube channel. And make sure you subscribe because there's a new one coming out every Monday. Hey, if you're not yet a subscriber or not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen, well, consider becoming one because that really helps out with all this, making these videos and make sure I can keep making them without any advertising. I don't want to intrude on you with advertising. So let's stick with just some patronage. Hey, if you're interested, please, the link, go become a patron. I'd be glad to have you in there. All right, now go make this wonderful salad and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.